There are multiple tools inside of here that'll help you escape the box. First thing first, we have to see on the side of the box there is a lock to open the book, but this lock is actually fake. So you will not need a key to open this lock. All you have to do is push it to the side and lift it out. You have to venture down the rabbit hole in this Alice in Wonderland escape room puzzle box. The goal is to venture through Wonderland down the rabbit hole to find the hidden Eat Me cake. The rules are no external tools, no excessive force, and no hitting. This is a sequential discovery puzzle box, and the aim is to figure out how to open it up. It is made by 22 puzzles and printed by Puzzle Guy. The difficulty rating of this puzzle is an 8 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10. To get the down the rabbit hole puzzle for yourself and solve it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more videos from Puzzle Master. Once you get into the box, you can see there is a drink canister and a stopwatch, and also a little tab here that says Drink Me. Now this Drink Me label hides some clues inside of it to help you solve the stopwatch. If you can see, in the drink there's a 1 and in the me there's a 3. So that means we have to turn this claw cans to 1 and 3. We're going to turn the big one to the 3 and the small one here to the 1. Once you get those into the right spot, you can now release the key. This key will help you solve the puzzle. You can set the watch aside. So now we're going to take this key, and we have 2 holes we can insert it in through. We can insert it into this one here, or if we flip it up, there is another one right here. Now if we try put it in this one, it's not really going to do anything quite yet. It feels loose inside of there, and that one is for later on. We're actually going to take it and we're going to insert it in through this one, give it a push, and out pops this piece on the bottom of the puzzle box. And it reveals a hat with a 10/6 underneath it. Take the hat and we're going to use it on the drink bottle. You can see it magnetizes to the bottom of the drink bottle. All we have to do is move that magnet off to the side. Once we get it off to the side, we should be able to twist open the bottle. And you can see there is a magnet inside of there that was holding it in place. Now the thing that was rattling inside the bottle was the ball. And this is like those hedgehog in a cage puzzles. There's one specifically that it kind of models after called Hexahog. And you just have to figure out how to get this ball to come out through one of these openings. And so we just have to test it on the openings to see which one it can come out of. If you look on the outside, one is slightly different size than the rest, but it's hard to tell. And once you find the right one, you can remove the ball from in the middle of the puzzle. Next, we're going to take this ball and insert it in through the hole on here. So we're going to take this magnet and we're going to attach it to the ball to help us move this ball through the maze. Once we get it over here, we can take this key and insert it in through the top. And then we're going to give this a push, and out pops the cake. So a cool little sequential discovery puzzle, lots of tools and keys to help you through the puzzle. If you want to get the down the rabbit hole puzzle box for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And to see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.